This propane refrigerator offers true dual-fuel flexibility, running on household power or liquid propane gas, so it keeps food cold even when you are far from the grid or during outages. The interior provides a genuinely roomy 13.5 cubic foot capacity, with a separate freezer compartment that is large enough for real groceries rather than just a few ice trays. Its absorption cooling system operates without a compressor, so the unit runs essentially silently and is very well suited to cabins, bedrooms, and RVs where noise can be annoying. Thoughtful storage touches like a dedicated chilled area and a humidity-controlled produce drawer help keep meat, dairy, fruits, and vegetables at appropriate temperatures and textures for longer. The reversible door and straightforward layout make it easy to fit this refrigerator into tight camper kitchens, off-grid cabins, or unconventional spaces without awkward door swings. Build quality feels solid for mobile use, and the combination of quiet operation, generous capacity, and off-grid readiness makes it a strong choice for long-term RV or cabin living.